Danfoss is a global company. We have Danfoss Climate Solutions, Danfoss Power Solutions, and Danfoss Electronics and Drives. Here in Norborg, we have overall the Editron division. We produce the ED3. It is an onboard charger for both off-highway and on-highway machinery.
The first layout of the factory was a little bit tricky because the product was not developed yet. We wanted to go for Industry 4.0, and because I knew that IFM had the sensors in IO-Link that I was going to need for this system, then I chose IFM as a supplier for the whole cell.
A lot of the products we have in here is just plug and play. If it's a higher tech like the cameras we have here, you can go very deep into the customization. You can do pretty much everything to set it up to your exact situation.
At the project, we found out that we had to do tool chains on our robots. So together with IFM, we did a lot of tests on which IO-Link modules could be placed together so that we could just change the heads just with 3 wires in the robot change. Instead of having sensors inside an oven, we simply put a laser measurement equipment on the robot head, so it checked if there was a part in the oven before we put in a new part. Using that technology, we don't have any maintenance on that anymore.
We are thinking about expanding, we're getting more production lines set up, and of course there is IFM a part of those thoughts. The catalog of different modules can handle pretty much any task. Whenever we use anything from IFM, we know it works very well. It's very easy to customize and set up. We have seen how reliable, how good they are, the products. So it's a very strong business partner to have.